Hi, welcome back to Be Rich, guys. Kesav is back again with us. One, due to popular demand, and two, Anand is still out of town. Once Anand is back, hopefully in the coming few days, we'll have him back in the studio to talk to you guys directly. So, what is it today, Kesav?
So before starting the show, I have come across the comment section, sir. Most of us appreciated for your perspective. I'm so happy that every single comment has a name. Vinod, I like your perspective. I
No, it's
like your
all
way
you,
of
man.
talk.
Sorry.
Can you please do a show alone?
No, it's all you.
Everyone has, sir.
No,
I'm
it's
so
all you.
happy for that, sir.
I'm happy that you're here, man.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I have come across the comment section. So you said me to take some questions through in the comment section. So I saw most of us asked is how to open a Demat account and where to open it and how to invest on index funds.
Hmm. Okay, let me give a practical example instead of talking in vague terms. The company I work personally, I do open my Demat account with this Chola.
Okay.
The reason why I use Chola is a very old company,
Okay, sir.
and I prefer old companies like Tata's, Cholas, because they have a long relationship. There's a company has been there for some time. They're not going to disappear overnight. And another thing which I have an advantage with Chola is I actually have an office. I can go ring the doorbell, talk to someone. If I have a problem, I have a number I can call and I can go meet someone face to face. I'm old school. I'm not young generation like you,
Okay.
where you do everything on WhatsApp. You prefer chat and you prefer sending OTP and doing hello and
Yeah, sir.
everything. Everything's done on the phone and you guys are on the bike going. I don't like that.
But in your case, you can reach out in real
Yes, I
Okay.
like having face to face
conversation.
conversation
Okay.
and I don't mind filling out forms and signing multiple sheets of forms, which Chola does.
Okay.
So I use Chola. So there's two parts to it. One is your Demat account, which I explained, which is like your virtual locker.
Okay.
That is your locker box, safety box. And that, whatever is put inside it, belongs to you. It does not belong to Chola.
Okay.
The box is, when it says Chola opens a Demat account for you, they're enabling you to open the locker, and the actual locker is sitting with the stock exchange.
Okay.
SEBI is controlling it, NSE and CDSL, those guys are controlling it. It's not controlled by Chola.
Okay.
Chola cannot put its hand inside and do anything to it.
Okay, sir.
Understand? They're helping you open the box there, your
Okay.
safety locker box. To help you do all that and to give you access to that, they take some money from you to
Okay.
maintain that. So that is called the Demat.
Okay, sir.
And I'm talking very simply. I'm sure a lot of people want to give more clarity to this, they can, but I'm saying for you to understand. That's all it is.
Okay.
So for that, you pay a yearly subscription fee for them to enable you to access it and maintain it for you. But it's yours. Nobody else can touch
Access
it.
it.
Nobody can access it. Now, to buy something virtually and to put it inside, you need a trading account. You need to buy it from a virtual market. Before, when I was young, we used to go to a trader and you used to physically buy. Anand will always tell you, physically buy shares.
Yeah,
You'll
sir.
go
In
give
paper
write
slips.
challan, you'll fill out the form, handwrite the form, fill it. Then you have to buy a draft and give it to him, and then he'll deposit it. Then they'll come. The SHAT certificate will come. I should actually dig out those old certificates and show you guys. Will come a certificate, big like college degree. It will be,
Oh, okay.
and it will tell you what company, how many shares, and the company secretary and the owners and all would have signed on it, saying this is a SAT certificate, saying Kesav has this. And the back side, like a library card, when you transfer the share person to person, whomever is transferred to, it will get striked out, and next person, whoever the owner is, will be put there and they'll seal it.
Oh, okay.
So it's a physical copy. It's like having physical gold. So that is all gone.
Okay.
Now it's all virtual.
Yeah, sir.
So it's all electronic. So how do you do that? So these companies are there. They're called trading companies.
Okay.
So Chola has the Demat, they'll open for you. Then they use the Chola app, which is a trading app.
Okay.
In the trading app is a one-shop window. It's like going to Nilgiris.
Okay.
You can buy anything you want there. You can do future options, okay, which I don't request all of you not to do.
Okay.
Till you are very, very knowledgeable in what you're talking about, you should never do future options.
Okay.
Though everyone talks about it. It's like playing, suddenly, first time you're holding a cricket bat, and I send you into Chepak Stadium and say, face Wasim Akram. You'll get out.
That's not possible, sir.
Yeah, you see everybody, all the batsmen standing there flinging away. Like, enna machan, nanu, I can also stand there. T20, then I'll just go for it. First ball, will be out.
That will not work out.
Yes, that is why I say future options. Unless you're very knowledgeable and you have years of experience and you know what you're doing, don't look at it.
Okay.
So other things you can do is, one is buy shares,
Okay.
buy and sell company shares, and the mutual funds.
Okay.
Okay. So there's three parts in the trading app. You can, when you log on, you'll see. You can see future options. You'll see
Buy and sell.
buy and sell. You can see
Mutual
stocks,
funds.
and you'll see mutual funds. You can buy and sell.
Okay.
I'm talking about mutual funds.
Okay.
Mutual funds is the only thing that compounds. Buying shares does not compound.
Okay.
What is compounding? Compounding is slow, assured growth over a long period of time. Not all companies grow. Anil Ambani's companies are all gone.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Vijay Mallya's company, all gone. Tomorrow, Adani's companies might be all gone. I do not know. I'm just saying, companies come, companies go.
Yeah, sir. True.
But the index always stays. The stock market is always there. It's like the Indian government. Today you might have Congress, tomorrow you might have BJP, tomorrow even communists might come. Who cares? But the Indian government is always
there.
And it is the Indian government which is signing on the currency. It is not Rahul Gandhi or Modi who is signing on the currency. It's the government of India saying, the people of India are guaranteeing you this.
Okay.
So that same way, stock market index will always be there.
Okay.
Companies may come and go. But that's when you buy index fund, you're betting on the index. You're betting on India, you're betting on India's growth, Indian country, Indian people you're betting on, and you're saying, I just want the small growth. And you keep on growing little by little, and that's all you're doing. That is called compounding using index fund. You will, when you open an account in trading account, the company Chola will want you to buy and sell.
Okay.
Because in each transaction, he makes a commission.
Yeah, true.
If, let's say, you're a guy who's working on commission, any job I give you, get a commission. So then immediately you'll want to do everything. You'll take me to all your shops. You'll take me, like how you see now when you go on tour. The tour operator, bus will stop in his biryani shop. He'll want you to eat biryani in his highway store.
Yeah.
When you go to something, he'll take you to his handicraft shop. Because he wants you to buy it there. Because he's getting a commission. Same way, Chola gets commission every time you buy and sell share, you do future option, he's getting.
Okay, sir.
He wants you to gamble. But that's not what I'm asking you to do.
Okay.
You do index fund, he makes no money in it. That's why it's very little charge on the index fund. And that's very compound. Other things you can do is buy and sell shares.
Okay.
Like what Anand is recommending. He says IITC at a good price, you buy IITC. You buy, pharma sector is very good, you buy. You can buy, but that's not compounding. What he's saying is the company price, Anand believes it's very cheap, that it deserves to be more expensive. Right now, the market is underestimating and it's very cheap. So you buy it, there's a good chance that company will grow and the share price will grow and you can make money. Okay. But he's also talking about buying and saving for life. Anand never says you buy and sell tomorrow. That's trading.
He always says for long term.
Yes. So when 2 years back, if you bought ITC, you could have bought it almost for 150 rupees, 120 rupees, like that was going. Now it's over 300 rupees.
340. I think.
So if you put 1 lakh, your 1 lakh would have become 3 lakhs.
Yeah, sir, true.
Or double, 2 lakhs, whatever there, doubling. So that's what he's talking about. So those are two different things. And that's what I wanted to clearly tell you. In compounding is mutual funds, index fund.
Okay.
You can buy and sell trade shares. That is different. That you must study also. There also, I advise you to understand. Just because Anand is saying, case I was saying, don't buy. You take a decision. You learn. If you are interested in stock markets, you want to become rich buying and selling shares, learn it. It will not take you forever to learn it. 6 months, you sit and read books, you practice. There's a lot of virtual trading apps where without putting your money, you can chuma play and see. Play with it. See what happens.
Demo.
Demo. Then slowly start.
Okay, sir. Most of us ask what will be there in the index funds. What is index fund basically?
Index fund is nothing but there are some 20-30 shares which makes up the index.
Okay.
Correct?
20-30 big companies.
Yeah, big companies. Okay. Which the stock exchange decides. NSE decides. Sensex, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange will decide. These are the important companies which will be telling how the economy is doing, how the industry is doing.
In all the sectors.
And they'll take a mixed sector, finance, everything put together. So when you buy index fund, when you put 100 rupees, the mutual fund company splits that 100 rupees and puts equal share in that.
Okay, sir.
So let's say 30% is in TCS, 20%, they'll look at the weightage, percentage they'll see. So the same way they'll split it up.
Okay.
And they'll invest.
So most of us don't know the basic of stock market. If they suddenly do investing, they will put on mutual funds in active funds.
Shouldn't. Because that's where also Chola makes money.
Yes, sir, that is a basic mistake.
Yes, Chola, yes. Sir. And Chola will encourage you. Your job when you're a salesman is to try to make me buy everything. It's like buying insurance. You will say, you have a dog, take insurance. You have a fan, take insurance. Take earthquake insurance. Take fire insurance. Take tsunami insurance.
Okay.
Keep on adding. Because he's making commission like a LIC agent.
Yeah, that's true.
Because first 50% he swallows. So he wants you to. He has to pay bills, so he will always want you to. You should always say no. And they'll ask you, can we alert you, give you advice? You say no. And they'll constantly call you. I keep getting calls all the time. Sir, can we tell you what to advise you to buy? Adani is going very cheap today. You can quickly make money. Just say no.
Okay.
And you will hear some guy would have bought at a cheap price and has gone up. My friend
Yeah,
bought
true.
and he's gone up to 200% and he's made this close years.
Okay.
Think of it like this. Like if Dhoni is scoring a century, can you score a century?
No.
So if you know that, you think I'm an idiot to tell you that. Same way you should feel like an idiot when just because someone made some money in ITC or whatever good company, bad company, there's no guarantee you'll do it.
Yeah, that's true.
But index fund compounding is guaranteed
Okay.
because it's very slow.
So in index, we have to choose passive funds,
Correct.
not active funds.
Correct.
Okay. So then what is the use of active funds there, sir? Because everybody
if you are courageous, that's what your appetite for risk they'll ask. In Chola, they'll ask you, how much risk do you want to take? You say, I don't mind losing 100 rupees.
Okay.
Then they'll play with it for you.
will
They'll
trade
play
it.
with your 100 rupees. They'll make 200 rupees. They'll eat 80 rupees and give you 20 rupees.
Okay.
Realize that. He'll eat the profit.
Mm-hmm.
He'll give you a little bit of the profit.
Okay.
You're giving him money to do business. For that, instead of doing that, like what Anand says, you might as well buy the shares yourself. If you're ready to gamble, gamble in the store yourself, man.
True, sir.
You know, you like some active fund, you like big, large cap fund, you like. See the shares in it. You buy those shares yourself in your name.
No.
That's why Anand says buy bond and don't put FD. Instead of buying FD in that bank, buy the bond of that bank.
Okay. Yeah, sir. FD will give us an interest of 5 to 6%. Bond will give us an interest of 10%.
Yes, and FD they take tax. Here they don't take tax.
True, sir.
We'll talk about bond another day, but same principle. Why give that guy money, man?
True, sir. So then my question is, most of us ask, you are saying just learn stock market, just study books. What are all the books we want to study? Where can we get the books to study? We have internet, that's okay.
But you don't study, sir.
Sir, that's true. But what I'm asking is,
people who study will never ask. Let me tell you something. People who study never ask.
Sir,
people who ask never study. Because every single video, at the end of the video, our editing team has been saying we have these 2 books.
Yeah, sir, true.
I would agree if you come back to me and say, sir, I have read those 2 books. I understand. Now, after that, what should I read?
I will definitely ask that, sir.
If you want to score a century, you first must come to the ground and play. Na?
True.
Where can I score century? How can I go? Come to the ground, yaar. Face a few balls. Learn to hold the bat. Buy a bat.
Sir, somebody will, not somebody, me, I'm asking this, sir. I cannot afford those books, sir. It's not too pricey.
You don't have to buy the books. You can't afford to buy the books. You can afford to watch YouTube.
Yeah, sir.
There's enough YouTube channels even in vernacular languages. Tamil guys are many.
Sir, when I try to know what is stock market, I will simply type what is stock market, then I will watch one video. After that, I don't know what I have to watch, sir. I will simply see what is stock market. Okay, after that, what I have to watch.
Okay. We will do a video soon where I will bring something called the annual report.
Okay.
That is the report card for the company. Like how, Keshav, we got your mark sheet. The company gives a mark sheet. And this is freely available. Every company by law has to publish, public limited company which is selling shares have to publish their report card. Every year they'll put out their report card. Okay, that is what you have to know.
Okay, sir.
When I say study, I basically am telling you to learn how to read that report card. That report card contains information on what business is he doing.
Okay.
Who are the owners? Who owns the company? Owning means shares. Are there foreign people involved in this company?
Okay.
Are they partnered with some other company? Where is all the money in this company? How are they making the money? How are they using the money? How much of the money goes off for salaries? How many goes on doing R&D? All that information is there.
Okay.
Then they'll compare it to last year and this year. Last year we made so much money. This year we had made so much money. This much loss was there. This much profit is there. We are hoping to do like this. This is what our expectation dreams are. It's all written in that paper, that booklet.
Okay, sir.
And you read that balance sheet. You'll know everything about that company. It's like the Jadagam of that company.
Okay, I also want to ask you, in some other video, we will do how to read a balance sheet, sir.
Sure.
You will teach me, sir.
I will definitely teach you.
Thank you.
We will go page by page. We will
Okay.
do 2-3 videos because it's too much information for you,
Okay.
not for me,
Ah.
not for them, but for you.
Mm.
If I say in one video in 10 minutes, I go through a full balance sheet, you'll be like, huh. Then end of it, I'll ask you, you'll be like,
Full blanks.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Because it's too much information.
Mm.
See, I'm not only asking you to learn ABCD,
Mm.
not only am I asking you to learn words, not only am I asking you to write sentences, I'm asking you to write a full story within 10 minutes
That
when
will
you
be
don't know
hard, sir.
ABCD.
Mm.
That's unfair for you,
Yeah, sir.
and
True.
it's unfair for me, and it's unfair for them.
Mm.
Because there are people who are watching the channel who do not know ABCD. So we'll start with ABCD.
Okay.
Those videos, people who are finding it boring can skip.
Mm.
People who find it interesting, they want to learn ABCD, let them learn ABCD.
Okay, sir.
Wherever people are finding they're in that level, let them join in. But we will start at the simplest. And you
Okay.
pick the company we should analyze.
Okay, sir.
All the companies you know.
The company which played the most vital part in my life is ITC, sir.
Okay. We will do ITC.
Okay, sir.
We'll do the complete history of ITC. It's
Okay.
there in the annual report.
Okay.
It tells you where the company started from, what all they did. Do you know what all products ITC is selling?
Some products. Sir.
You know the one main one that everyone knows.
Yeah, true.
I understand. That is a weakness. And you're working very hard to get over that, which I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
But they do other things. They call the Indian Tobacco Company. But they have diversified. Diversified means they've got money in all kinds of businesses.
Yeah,
They're
sir.
actually a conglomerate. Conglomerate means they do business in various sectors, in various things, industries they're in.
Yeah, so notebooks, hotels.
Lots.
Yeah, sir.
That's why when you see their annual report, you'll be like, oh my God, they're doing all this. You will be surprised yourself. So we will do that. We'll take ITC.
Okay, sir.
We'll get the annual report. Then we will start going page by page. We'll do the whole book.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, just an announcement to everybody who's following our channels, not only Be Rich, Money Pechu and Tattva Pechu and all our other work. There's lots of spam messages which are being sent in our comments, asking people to follow their Telegram channels, follow their WhatsApp group, and saying that that they're claiming to be part of our team, claiming to be Money Pechu or Be Rich, claiming to be Kesav, and offering all kinds of advice, saying you pay me a fee, pay me money, and I will help you trade and make money. We don't encourage that. Nor do we participate in this. None of our office people are there in these comments. Nor do we operate in that. Our numbers are very much clearly given in the description of the video.
Yeah.
We put it on the video, and we do not offer these services, and they are not us. So please, please, please do not follow them. Do not reply to them. Don't encourage them. Don't share them. And even if you're thinking as a joke, to play a joke on a prank on one of your friends using these numbers, please don't. I know Kesav and his generation find this whole thing, people who do not know funny to play it on people who know and do not know, they play with this. Please don't. There are lots of people who have suffered, who have come to us and have said, we thought it was you, we invested 1 lakh, we have invested 2 lakhs to this person, we don't know who they are, they've disappeared. So it's a lot of sad stories we're hearing. So please guys, do not encourage them, do not reply to them, and it's not us. And if you ever have a doubt if it's us, you know our office, please come straight to our office and you can ask. Especially before you give them money. We never ask for money. That's basically it. I don't need your money. Kesav doesn't need your money. So we'll definitely not be asking you for money. Thanks.
Thank you.
And please like and subscribe to our channel, and especially this video, if you can share it with everybody and anybody, people who don't even watch our channels, because we want the word to spread. All YouTube content creators are suffering this. It's just not us. Thank you.
After a successful event in Qatar, my team wanted to find out where to do an event. So they did a recce, they did a survey, and they found out that they would go back to my second home in Saudi Arabia, Dammam. So after nearly 30 years, I'm going back to Dammam. The last time I was in Dammam was in 1990, and I'm going back there to do an event on the 10th of March. We have not yet decided where it will be in Dammam, but definitely I am visiting Dammam on the 10th of March, Friday. So those who are in and around Dammam or maybe in Jeddah should make a trip to see me, and I'm going to talk about investments on where you should put out your money. Those in Bahrain can drive across the causeway and join us. See you in Dammam on the 10th of March. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.